Alright, we got the rigger out here today. I'm going to be trying out my new little carbon fiber top hatch and a 1515 ABC prop. I've been waiting for a new servo and we finally got it in. So we're going to go ahead and give her a little run. It was all good and then a storm blew in, but hopefully we don't flip it. We're going to have a little fun anyways. I gotta discharge the battery regardless. Golly, that Triple S motor's got power. Need to make sure I got cooling. Oh yeah, I got good cooling. Good cooling. I got my turn vane kind of angled to where it scoops. I'm trying to pull the nose down with the turn fin, and I noticed that it does. I had to compensate with the rudder there. She is a rocket. Whew. Don't flip it, Philip. Don't flip it. That is insane, guys. I haven't even been able to hit full throttle yet. Do a cool down lap real quick. Let me see if I can get y'all zoomed in a little bit better. All right, let's try this. She is flying. The pond's not big enough for the rigger. That's insane. Yeah. I think the battery's starting to get low. I got the GPS inside, so we'll be able to see. Alright, let's go ahead and bring it in. Feel like I probably got it discharged to the point where it's good to go. It's cool because these little high voltage packs, man, they give you a little bit of punch and then they slow down. And then if you take it easy, it gives you more punch again. Kind of wicked. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna let it drain. We're gonna walk it back inside and we'll open it up, check the temps, and check the speed. See what we get. Okay, so it's only been about 3 minutes since we pulled it out of the water. Let's go ahead. This will be the ultimate test to see how well this little hatch here did. Okay, let's just set this down. Check the temps real quick. All right, 126, ESC, 144. That was probably what I was getting power cut on. I was probably getting power cut on the ESC due to temperature. And then we'll see the battery. Battery's not bad, 114. Okay, I'm gonna estimate 65. Okay, not bad, 67. 67 with a turn fin, and I wasn't even able to give it full throttle, which is nuts. So last time I ran this, I did 69. And I did 69 with this prop here, which this prop here is a 40 by 1.6. And what I ended up having happen, I accidentally, when I went to adjust my trim, I adjusted the steering dual rate. And instead of turning the steering to the right, I turned the dual rate up, and it put the rudder into my propeller. So when I put the new servo in here and I had it all apart over the last few days, I went ahead and moved my rudder over. I don't know if you can see where I had filled in the original rudder holes, but I went ahead and moved the rudder over. I should have done that from the get-go, but I learned, we learn as we go. So now I can actually run a bigger prop without fear of it contacting the rudder. So not too shabby. All right, let's go ahead and pull this battery out and check the voltage on the battery. Right, so this is what we were using, 4S high voltage pack, and we are dead nuts where we need to be. 3.83, 3.85, right on the money. I like these better than the green packs. These are a little bit more voltage, and 75C versus 80C, but the 4S, 2200 is slightly bigger overall than this. But me, I prefer this. Just me personally. Goes in the boat a little bit easier. Gives me more of an even discharge. I noticed the green packs. Let's see over here. I've got one here, right here, and I've got one here. So I'm slowly accumulating smaller batteries. But like these right here, you would have seen like 4S, 3S, right? You would have seen the 3S pack if I ran it. It would be 3.85, then it would have been 3.55, and then 3.72. It would have been a weird uneven discharge. That's just what I've noticed when I run these packs. So that's why I prefer these. So cool. Lots of projects. So I'm going to go ahead and do some cleaning up. I got a lot of crap to clean up here, but it was kind of cool. We got to run it, and the little top hatch works as long as I use enough tape. And I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. So thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Peace out.